I hope you all are watching this. So tell me, are you watching this clearly? So now today, okay, good. So today I'm going to talk about audibility. Okay, Audibility, audibility. So all of you, open your copy and write down also. Okay. So today we are going to learn about audibility. So what is audibility? First we have to understand. Okay, audibility means the range of frequencies which a listener can distinguish is known as the range of audibility. The range of audibility for human ears is 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. That is between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. That is, human beings cannot see all the sound waves, okay, or all the sound having different frequencies. So human being has the capacity of human beings has, you can say that, limit option, okay, that is the sound wave belonging between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz can only be listened by our ear. So this, we call it as audibility. That is the range of frequencies which a listener can distinguish is known as range of audibility. That is, range of audibility means how much range of sound we can easily audit or our ear can audit. It means that we are listening that sound, so that we call it as range of audibility. So the range of audibility for human ears is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, or and the sound which frequencies below 20 hertz and above 20 hertz are not above 20,000 hertz are not heard by a person. That is, the once again I'm repeating, the sound whose frequency is below 20 hertz and above 20,000 hertz are not heard by a person. So human beings, okay, or you can say a listener or a person can hear if a person is normal. Okay, again, if there is deaf person, then again problem. So if a normal person, okay, a normal person can only hear a sound wave having frequency between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, and this is known as range of audibility. So let me write also for you. So go on writing also. Okay, the range of frequency, the range of frequencies which a listener which a listener which a listener distinguish is known as the range of audibility, is known as the range of audibility. The range of audibility for human ear human ears is 20 hertz and above. The range of audibility for human ear is below, you add here, okay, below 20 hertz and above 20,000 hertz. So 20,000 hertz means what? 20 kilohertz. You can also write this as 20 kilohertz are not heard or heard, you can say, by a person. Okay, so what I have written here means, So you can see here 20 below 20 hertz and above 20,000 hertz are not heard by a person. Okay, so this is about audibility. Like this camera tall भयो this much. Wait, okay, यतिमा देखेको छैन र now. Okay, this known as range of audibility. अलिकता म जुम गरेछु है. अलि साइज ठुलो आउँछ भनेर मैले जुम गरेको. Okay, so now what is we have written means the range of audibility for human ears is below 20 hertz and above 20,000 hertz, that is 20 kilohertz are not heard by a person. So human beings can only listen the sound having the frequency between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, and above that sound above the sound having that frequency or below the sound having 20 frequency, they are not heard by human beings. So based on this, okay, now sound is of different types. You can say that infrasonic sound, ultrasonic sound, and audible sound. So this audible sound means audibility means audible sound, and this audible sound is between 20 to 20,000 hertz. And next one is infrasonic sound. Infrasonic sound. I'm writing quite in long handwriting, okay, ठुल्ठुलो लेटर लेखेको भए बुझ्न सजिलो हुन्छ. So what is infrasonic sound means the sound which frequency has frequency below 20 hertz. Okay, the sound which has frequency below 20 hertz is called infrasonic sound. यसैलाई हामी भाषामा लेख्छौँ the sound which has frequency below than 20 hertz is called infrasonic sound. Is called infrasonic sound. And next one is our again ultrasonic sound. Ultrasonic sound. So now what is ultrasonic sound? Now we have to write down this also. So ultrasonic sound means the sound which has frequency about 20,000 or 20 kilohertz. Write down this also. The sound which has frequency above 20,000 hertz is known as all 20,000 hertz is known as ultrasonic, not infrasonic. Ultrasonic sound. So example, you can see that bats can produce and hear ultrasonic sound. Now I think you have also noticed, तपाईहरुले पनि नोटिस गर्नुभएको होला कि bat जुन छ चमेरो, bats always produce sound, okay, and bats always fly in the dark night or in the night. So why um, that bat always fly in the night, and how bat can see in the night? रातिमा चमेरोहरू ब्याटहरू उड्दाखेरि बाटो कसरी देखिन्छ भन्दाखेरि ब्याट अलवेज प्रोड्युसेस अल्ट्रासोनिक साउन्ड। यो अल्ट्रासोनिक साउन्ड प्रड्युस गर्छ। के हो अल्ट्रासोनिक साउन्ड भन्दा अल्ट्रासोनिक साउन्ड भनेको 20,000 हर्ट्ज भन्दा माथिको साउन्डलाई हामी अल्ट्रासोनिक साउन्ड भन्छौँ। इट मिन्स द्याट द साउन्ड विच हेज फ्रिक्वेन्सी अबभ 20,000 हर्ज हेज अ ह्युज एनर्जी। त्यसमा धेरै एनर्जी हुन्छ एन्ड इट प्रड्युस इको फास्ट। यसले धेरै छिटो इको प्रड्युस गर्छ। एन्ड वेन द ब्याट जब ब्याट जुन छ रातिमा अँध्यारोमा उड्दाखेरि ओके इट प्रड्युस साउन्ड। यो आवाज निकाल्दै गर्छ र उड्दै गर्छ। इट अलवेज प्रड्युस साउन्ड एन्ड देन फ्लाइ। सो एज इट प्रड्युस साउन्ड ओके जब साउन्ड प्रड्युस गर्छ देन वाट ह्यापेन द्याट ब्याट हियर द इको it is coming or not. If echo is coming, it means that something obstacles is on the path of their way, and that's why echo is producing. Because when the sound strike on that object or any obstacles, then the reflected sound is echo. So if echo is produced, that understand that there is something obstacles on the way, and they will just change the direction of their motion. But if they will not hear echo, then they thought that in the way there is open space, then it continues go on flying. के भनेको भन्दाखेरि रातिमा जब चमेरो उड्दाखेरि रातिमा बाटो कसरी देखिन्छ भन्दाखेरि चमेरोले अल्ट्रासोनिक साउन्ड प्रड्युस गर्छ र यो अल्ट्रासोनिक साउन्ड प्रड्युस गर्दै गर्दै उडिरहेको हुन्छ ऊ र यो साउन्ड प्रड्युस गर्दै उड्दाखेरि बाटोमा कुनै अब्जेक्ट छ, बाटो ब्लक छ, जस्तै कि बाटोको अगाडि पहाड ठुलो आइदिन सक्छ, त्यस्तो छ भने त्यो ठाउँमा साउन्ड तोफान ठोकेर फेरि इको प्रड्युस हुन्छ, फर्किन्छ, रिफ्लेक्टेड साउन्ड आउँछ। त्यो इको जुन छ उसले हियर गर्यो भने उसले बुझ्छ अगाडिमा कुनै अब्स्ट्याकल छ र उसले आफ्नो बाटो चेन्ज गरिदिन्छ। यदि त्यस्तो किसिमको इको प्रड्युस भएन भने उसले बुझ्छ अगाडिमा कुनै किसिमको अब्स्ट्याकल छैन र ऊ आफ्नो वे जर्नी कन्टिन्यू गर्छ। सो इन दिस वे ब्याट ओके used to produce ultrasonic sound as well as they used to locomote, okay, they used to fly with the help of this sound in the night. So let me write down यही कुरालाई हामी अगाडि लेख्छौँ। अब के भन्छ bat can produce and hear ultrasonic sound, okay, thus they can detach obstacles in their path in dark night, also by producing whatever happened. Thus they can detach obstacles in their path in dark night, okay, also by producing and hearing ultrasonic sound which reaches them again after reflection from the obstacles. Okay, so what we have written means, so thus they can detach obstacles in their path in dark night, also by producing and hearing ultrasonic sound which reaches them again after reflections from the obstacles. यो के भन्न खोजेको भन्दाखेरि म अघि एक्सप्लेन गरिसकेँ, यो इको प्रड्युस गर्छ यो साउन्डले, धेरै मात्रामा इको प्रड्युस गरेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यो इकोबाट इट क्यान इजिली हियर एन्ड देन इट विल कन्टिन्युस गो अन मुभिङ. So are you listening me or not? Once tell me all of you. Okay, very good. So are you understanding? Okay, so up to now we have learned about audibility, infrasonics, and ultrasonic. Audibility means audible sound. Audibility means the range of hearing which is heard by human beings, and you all know human beings can hear the sound wave having frequency between 20 to 20,000 hertz. Infrasonic sound means, okay, the sound wave whose frequency is below 20 hertz, we call it as infrasonic sound. Similarly, if the sound wave has frequency above 20,000 or 20 kilohertz, then we call it as ultrasonic sound. So let's move towards properties of ultrasound or ultrasonic sound. Okay, next heading for class 9 is properties of ultrasonic sound, or you can say ultrasound. This is our next heading. Okay, this is our next heading, that is properties of ultrasonic sound or ultrasound. This is our next heading. So point number 1, what is properties of ultrasonic sound? Says that they are high frequency sound waves. That is, this sound wave has high energy because it has 20,000 hertz frequency. So you can say that they are high frequency sound waves. Next point is they can travel long distance without loss of sound energy. That is, this sound wave can travel longer distances without loss of sound energy. Why? Because due to high amount of energy present inside it. It has high amount of sound energy present inside it. That's why it can, travel long distance without loss of sound energy. So write down, they can travel long distance long distances without loss of sound energy. Third point is without loss of sound energy. Third point is they produce heating effect in any substance. Okay, they produce heating effect in any substance without which they propagate, in which, okay, they produce heating effect in any substance through which they propagate. That is, the way in which it propagate, okay, it always produce heating effect. They produce heating effect in any substance, substance, substance through which, okay, they propagate. यो के भनेको भन्दाखेरि जुन बाटोबाट हिँड्छ यो त्यो बाटोमा अब्जेक्टहरूलाई तातो बनाउने काम गर्छ. इट अलवेज प्रोड्युस हिटिङ इफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वान इज they are used to bore hole through hard materials like steel, diamond, etc. के भनेको भन्दाखेरि जुन हार्ड मेटेरियल्सहरू जुन छ, इन केस अफ हार्ड मेटेरियल्स यु क्यान से द्याट लाइक डायमन्ड, स्टिल, लाइक द्याट अफ सम टाइम यु क्यान से आइरन अल्सो, हेभी आइरन्स. सो इन द्याट केस नाउ दिस साउन्ड इज युज टु बोर होल इनसाइड इट. त्यो कडा कडा जुन छ त्यो ठाउँमा होल बनाउनको लागि पनि वी आर युजिङ दिस अल्ट्रासोनिक साउन्ड. नम्बर 0.5 इज दे प्रोड्युस कोगुलेसन इन लिक्विड. they produce coagulation, COGU, okay, coagulation in liquid. So what is coagulation means? Coagulation भनेको जमाउँछ, ओके, यसले जमाउने काम गर्छ। जुन लिक्विडबाट पास भयो त्यो लिक्विडलाई के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि जमाइदिने काम गरिरहेको हुन्छ। सो दे अलवेज प्रोड्युस कोगुलेसन इन लिक्विड। So this much for today, okay? Our time is also running out. So this much for today.